Today we're taking a look at a program called Designrr. With Designrr, you can create ebooks and lead magnets to reach more people, transform your blog posts, podcasts, videos, and PDFs into ebooks, show notes, dynamic flipbooks, transcripts, PDFs, and web pages. My name is Robert Poole. My website is enterpriseformula.com. I provide tips and strategies to help you with your online marketing. If you find this video useful, please subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. And by the way, if you've been looking for a free blueprint that will give you all the tools you need to help you get started online, click the link in the description below for that also. In this review, we're going to go through the sales page, and then we're going to take a look at the software, and then I'm going to give my opinion as to whether or not I think this is a tool that will help you with your online marketing. Back to the Designrr sales page, create ebooks and lead magnets to reach more people. Creating fresh content is hard. Some of the things they can do is transcribe YouTube video into PDF, publish podcasts as a PDF, transform your WordPress blog into a dynamic flipbook, turn your YouTube video into a WordPress blog post, publish PDF as a dynamic flipbook, convert podcasts into Amazon Kindle ebook, convert a WordPress document into an ebook or EPUB. Who is this for? Content marketers, course creators, ebook creators, coaches, podcasters, small business, podcast services, brand marketing, webinar marketers, video creators, YouTube creators, marketing agencies, and here's how it works. 1. You choose your source. You import written content from different sources, blogs, social content, Facebook pages, audio, video, PDF ebooks, and turn them into a flipbook. Review your draft. Revise your draft content in an editor designed for writers and editors, or customize your transcript, adding speaker names, video, screenshots, block quotes, and highlights, or save your draft for later or export. Choose a template. You can add images from our copyright-free image search or upload your own. You can change the font styles, the cover, headers, and footers, and finally add a call to action. So then you just tweak it and tune it, and then you publish it. And then they have the designer story, and then they have some demo videos that you can watch. They've got customer feedback, multiple import options, multiple export options, and then common questions. All right, we're now inside of the Designrr software, and here are your tabs. You got My Project, you got Drafts, you have Media Manager. You look at the top here, you have the Upgrade, the Promote Designrr, where you can get an affiliate link, and Services. And here they will actually do a custom ebook design for you. And the next tab to the end here is the Help tab. And when you click that, you have two sources. You have the knowledge base, and you have the tab which says Take a Tour. If you go to the knowledge base, if you click here, then you'll see they have several different areas that you can go to. You can start here, and you can open up the tutorials. You can go to the videos, frequently asked questions, headliner tutorials. We're going to go ahead and start a project. The first thing you do is you go back to My Projects, and then you can click this tab where you start a new project, or you can click here. Either one, they both do the same. So I'll just click Start a New Project. The first option you get is to choose where you'd like your content to be imported from. You can import from your blog, from your Word doc, from Google Doc. You can start from the beginning with your own template. And here you can change your Google Doc to PDF. You got PDF, flipbook, blog post to PDF. You can start from scratch. You can import from Facebook. These that are kind of grayed out with the little lock on top, these are your upgrades. We'll talk about the upgrades later. I'm going to import from Google Doc. I'm going to click Google Doc, Now it wants me to enter the URL of the Google Doc. I'll simply go to Google, and I'll go to Google Doc, and I'll simply pick a document. I'll grab that one. So once you actually click it, then you just click the share button. When you click the share button, you get the option to get a link. So you copy that link. Now you can close your Google, and you can go back to the Designrr software, and you can enter that link here where it says enter the URL of the Google Doc. You paste it, and then you fetch. Now once that's done, you'll see that it has been added. Next thing you do is just click the next button. Now it's going to ask you to pick a template. So I'll just grab one. I'll use this one. It says now we're preparing your ebook. And now my content has been added to my ebook, and we're inside of the editor. To edit, you just simply click over the actual text that you're concerned with, and a little box will appear at the top of it, and you'll have a lot of different options inside of there. One of them is to edit by clicking this little pencil. You click it, and then you can just highlight and then basically just delete, add, just like a regular text editor. If you're wondering how they put this shadow box around this text, what you could do is go over to this box on the left, and if you click on this box, the element will give you the features dealing with this particular box that you clicked. Right now, the type that is clicked on is the box, and the direction is the outer. If you wanted it to be the inner, then all of that would go inside of the box. Now we're dealing with the outer. So now let's go down a little bit, and if you look, you see the X direction. If I was to scroll through here, if you look and see the image itself, you'll see how the direction changes. If I do the Y direction, same thing, only it goes up and down. The other option is the blur. If I unblur it, now you'll see it's very sharp. If I take that spread and can make it smaller, I can make it larger. I can blur it. So if I click back on it and I wanted to change it, let's say I wanted to change that spread, take out the blur, and now that's gone. That's some of the things that you can do with the text. Of course, there's a lot more things you can do. You can do text styles, you can do the background, attributes, spacing, border, shadow, and colors. You can really make your text stand out with this editor if you wanted to. If you look to your right, you can use the navigator function to scroll through. You just simply scroll through to see just how large or how small your ebook is going to be. Now we were in this shadow tab to do that work on that particular box that we did previously. Now I'm going to close this, and we're going to go over and we're going to click these tabs to see what they do. So if you click this one, first thing you'll get is the options to add different components. You can import content, you can add a cover page or a new page, back page, table of content, inline call to action, or call to action. Let's try a call to action. If I click that, just drag it over, as you can see, it has added a call to action. Now you can edit this and manipulate it however you see fit. Here you can add a link to your Learn More tab. Just click there, add the link. So we'll cancel that. This next tab gives you the option to actually change the template if you want. So let's say you decided you wanted to use another template. In this case, you click it, and it's going to give you the option as to whether you want to use this template. So now you can actually view it. You can scroll through and view it to see how it looks. And then you can either decide to use it or not. So this next tab, this is where all of your work is actually stored. Whenever you do a revision, it's stored and recorded here. So you can always go to this tab to go back to previous revisions that you made and recall them as necessary. So the next tab will give you the option to change the page size. Right now it's in the portrait size. We can change it to the landscape if we want it, and then we have options here. If you scroll down through here, you'll see you get several options in the landscape format. If you go back to the portrait, you get the same option to choose a different portrait size. And of course, the next one is where you can get any questions you need answered in the event that you need help. Now here you have typography, media, layout, Facebook, shapes. If you were to click into typography, this would give you the option to add a label, link, to add a paragraph, divider, marked text, definition list, block quote, unordered list, ordered list, heading, table. You can close that. You can go to media. And when you click media, you can add an image, several types of image grids. You can embed a video. Let's add an image. To add an image, you grab it and you drag it over. The next thing it's going to do is take you to your media manager if you have any images there, or it's going to give you the option to upload an image right here. I just so have an image. I'm going to just use this one. So I'll click it. Now it's been added to my ebook cover. I could put it on any page I want. Let's say I just want it added right here under the lazy guide, right about there. All right, and that's how you add it. And to delete it, you just click this little button here and it goes away. And so that's how you add and delete different elements. Let's click shapes. Click shape. And now if you scroll down, you'll see you have several different shape options: rectangle, circle, triangle, star. Let's say I wanted to add a star. I'm going to grab it, bring it over, just let it go, and it'll go wherever you put it. So now you can move it around, put it in whatever area you want. And once again, if you want to get rid of it, you just click this little garbage pail there and it's gone. When you're editing, you can do small edits here, but if you want to do a major edit inside of your newly created ebook, you see this little button here, you can click here and you can go back. You can go to drafts. And if you click drafts and edit it from here, they have an editor inside of the drafts, which is where they prefer you do your major editing. Designrr recommends that you do all your editing here, and once you're sure that you got everything the way you want it, you simply save it and then you close it. Now you can go back to my projects. You can go back into the editing and you can take a look to see if it's exactly how you want it to look, if everything looks good. And this is how you can check it. Don't forget, you can also check it through the navigator area also. And once you're happy, then you just publish it. You just click publish. Let's see, I'll give it my name, and then I'll export. And it says success, your ebook is ready. Download your PDF file. So I click download, and now here's the file in PDF form, and you can pretty much do whatever you like with it. You can scroll through, take a look, see how it looks, and now you can just simply click download and you can download it. So we'll scroll through quickly. You see all the links are there. And if I click one of the links, Thrive Themes download page, let's click it. Let's see where it goes. And as you can see, it goes to the designated link. Now let's take a look at the pricing. So if you go to the pricing area, you'll get the monthly plans. You can get the standard plan for $29 per month, the pro plan for $39 per month, the premium for $49 a month, the business for $99 per month. Each plan has a little bit more options depending on which one you want to get. So it's a good option to just go in and check it out for a few days to see if it's something that you would like, and then you could decide what plan that you want. And the difference is with the $39 Pro plan, that's where they give you the option to import from the web and Word and Google Docs and PDF. You do have the flipbook generator on the $29 plan. On the $39 plan, you can use the flipbook generator from any PDF. You can also import from any Facebook page. On the $49 premium plan, You can also export to any website using HTML and big code, and you get to join the Facebook group. The difference with the business plan is that you get 8 transcription hours, 200 project templates, 200 cover designs, 922 Google fonts, 3D cover image. You can create unlimited ebooks. Those are some of the options you have with the different plans. I might have some good news for you. I might not, I'm not sure. But if you go to this page, this is my link, before this timer runs out, you can get Designrr with a one-time price of $27. Hopefully you're watching this video while this special is still available. And on the pricing page, below the pricing, you got some common questions that can be answered. How does this compare with other ebook creators? No other ebook tool allows you to import content from any source like we do. You don't need WordPress. In fact, it works on most websites. Squarespace, Shopify, Hubspot, blog. All you need is the URL of the actual post. We also provide unlimited styling possibilities. You are not forced into any structure or template. We cover all the publishing formats: EPUB, Mobi, and Kindle. Can I import pages as well as posts? Can I import a page from someone else's website? I don't need an ebook, flipbook. I only want a transcript. Can I import a second post? These are some of the questions that are answered right on the pricing page itself. Now, if you go to the About Us page, you can meet the team and see just who are the people involved with this project. And as you can see, there are several creators. You got the software developers, the testing and quality assurance, you got the customer service representative, graphic designers. So this product is not a fly-by-night product. It's been around for years and it's going to be around. It's constantly updated. And in my opinion, those are great signs of a good product. It just so happens that this is also a great tool to help you create ebooks, to pull content from different sources that you may be thinking about making an ebook. This makes it so easy to do. I give it a good 9 out of 10 just because nothing's perfect. But once again, I think this is a great product. I hope the video was useful for you. If you're looking for a free blueprint that will help you with your online marketing, that will give you all the answers to a lot of the affiliate marketing questions that you may have, click the link in the description below for that. Have a nice day, and I hope to see you on my next video.